Hello, I'm Dr. Cheney. Welcome to our clinic at A-New-Me. This is a fantastic program and it works. Try it. You have nothing to lose but the weight itself. The magic of our program is around simply not only the diet, we've all tried diets. The diet alone is not what makes it work. It is the HCG with the diet. The HCG is able to unlock that trapped fat and use that fat as nutrition. What HCG does is unlock nutrition from our fat so we feel great, we have energy, we are giving our fat a job, and that's what HCG does. It accesses that trapped fat. So today, as you're here and you're going to learn more about our amazing program and you're wondering, is this really going to work for me? I've tried everything. Well, if you haven't tried HCG, you haven't tried everything. This will be the last diet you ever do. You are changing your life. Most individuals who come in are on medications, specifically blood pressure medications and diabetes medications. Is this safe? Yes, the HCG is completely safe. The reason we need to monitor you is not because the HCG is not safe. It's because as you start to lose fat, a half a pound to 1 pound of fat per day, your medication is set as if you're still that fat person. We have to monitor you, so if your blood pressure and blood sugar drops, and it will, we have to have your primary care physician adjust your medication. Think about it. If in the first 7 days you lose 5 to 7 pounds, you're losing fat. 1 pound on the scale is equal to 1.5 pounds of fat. Your blood pressure and blood sugar will drop, so that medication will need to be adjusted. There are no side effects with HCG. The doctor who created this protocol, Dr. Simeons, he originally created the diet to be 500 calories. Well, when he created that, in 1954, we didn't have an epidemic of diabetes, and we do now. So we found that we needed to change Dr. Simeons' protocol. I'm sorry, Dr. Simeons. But what we specifically did was we needed to add protein in the morning. We encourage individuals to have a couple egg whites and a piece of fruit, coffee or tea in the morning. For lunch, again, a choice of protein and a vegetable and a salad. Your snack may be a piece of fruit, and dinner is a repeat of lunch, preferably a different type of proteins. We encourage you to drink a lot of water during the program. Remember, the fat does not just evaporate. Your body is going to process the fat through your eliminatory organs. We also encourage you that during the program, if you find that you are not losing, let's say that you have stalled during the program, we need to look at, are you properly having bowel movements? Again, remember, your body is eliminating the fat through the eliminatory organs. We are here to support you. That's why we ask you to come every 10 days for your follow-up. It's not only to weigh you, to measure you, but to answer your questions. We want you to get into the habit of weighing yourself every morning. It's critical. The reason why you weigh yourself every morning, first thing, right upon awakening, you're naked, right after urinating, is that morning weight is your true weight. Thank you again for coming to A-New-Me. You're about to embark on a journey that is going to change your life. We're very excited for you. And again, A-New-Me is about weighing less and living longer. Thank you.